I'm betting 20 on yes, by God. It's a nail. Well, I'm putting 20. I'm putting 20 on yes. Those aren't credits that roll after Walker takes. It is actually a list of fatalities that occurred during the making of the episode. Okay, I hear you. Damn, Demon. All right now. Hunter just don't have any faith in us. I don't blame him after that performance. Oh, now look at that. Now it's 4 on 4. And me and you're the only two with single digits by our names, man. I'm just saying. Alright, guys. Now, I do love this map. I have, you know, obviously this was the very first map. Somebody's got to go for that boom shot. I guess I'll do it. Oh, fuck me. There they are waiting on me. Ambushed my ass. Damn it. They knew exactly what I was going to do, man. They knew I was going to go for the boom shot. They hid and just waited on me. Good move, though. Smart. Oh, look at this dumbass. I'm gonna chainsaw this son of a bitch.
Piece of junk!
Oh, that's one of my teammates. God, I swear I'm going blind. Fucking. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, shit, and I'm down. We are definitely losing. 3-8 now. Welcome to the stream, Wisebot. Yeah, that's something good. He just keeps coming back and forth. Alright, where are they at, guys? Maybe if I kill Demon, I can join the cogs. But right now, I am hanging back, letting the action take place in front of me. I am playing pussy style right now. Not gonna lie to you. Our respawns are over. They still have 6 and we are out of respawns. How sad is that? And Demon's gone. Take FIFA 16 cheap, I hear you. Oh! Look, don't you walk over here, baby. I got a chainsaw with your name on it. Hunter says he just did his first bad hammer. Hell yeah, Hunter. Alright, guys. Oh shit, they're out of respawns now too, though. But I do believe I am outnumbered here. Oh, fudge butters. Fudge butters. They got me. What's up, farts? Damn it. Oh, shotgun that son of a bitch. Hell yeah. Blow him a new one. Alright. Come on, Twisted. It's one-on-one here. Shotgun versus Shotty. Come on, dude. Pop him in the ass. There you go. Where'd he go? Did he go upstairs now? He's rolling back. Oh! Yeah, we got it, baby. We got it. We got it. So there you go.
The war continues.
Oh, it's not over yet, is it?
Will win.
All right. Okay. Oh, wow. We know you got that nuclear bug. I'll tell you what, that was sweet though, guys. I don't give a damn. That was freaking hell of a comeback. Hell of a comeback for us. Better get your ass out of here, bitch. I will pop you in that ass. Hunter says him and DC gonna be tag champs. I hear you, baby. Oh, okay. Heard you. Oh, shit, Butters. Damn it! I can never evade in time. I think that is twice that Blake has done me that way on the freaking ambush. Alright, so we gotta try to retake the middle. Alright. I'm down. Alright, let's see here. What we got going on here? I hear grenades popping, but I don't see anybody. What's up, Ballin' Gaming? Good to have you hanging and banging with us. Oh, is that a teammate? I guess so. Well. Fuck. Oh, damn! Oh my god! Just got sniped. Don't even know where it came from either. God. Timeout. I hear you, man. I like that. I want to go find that damn sniper, man. From across. From across. He was over here on this side. That's why I'm looking for him right now. Okay, good. Keep it. Right now, I'm... Yeah, Dre, it's hard for me to tell who the frick is who on here sometimes, man. I don't know if I need to check my settings and change the, oh, there he is. Oh, yeah. He's right here. He's on the very first building over to the left. God, he got me. Damn. Yeah, I don't... Alright, we got 2 left, but at least I know where that son of a gun is hiding now. Alright, but at least, like I said, at least I know where the sniper is hiding. Yeah, he's not. I see him. I think he's back in the frickin' middle now. I hear it. I hear him. Yeah. There's the sniper. I see his ass. Yeah, well, the sniper's sitting there in the frickin' alleyway. Yeah, damn it. DC, I'll tell you right now, should you trade Murray Inc. CJ for Julio? Julio's having a hell of a beginning of the season, man. I don't know if that's going to stay, though. Hey, no, we're still... Dude, Hunter, it's not over yet, baby. It's the rubber match right here. Yeah, this tiebreaker right here. Oh, dude, I'm charging, buddy. God, calm it down, man. He got it. He got it. He got it. He got the sniper, dude. He got it. Murray for Manning? Oh. Manning, you don't know what you're going to get with him from week to week, though, dude. Where is he? Where is the sniper, sir? Okay. Oh, what the hell? I had some type of weird little teleport deal there. I was getting ready to chainsaw the guy and then it spun me around the other way. That was odd. Little freaking gears bug. Alright, so do they got the middle again? Oh no, Hunter, I totally agree, man. The freaking I am really shocked with the Falcons the way they've been playing, dude. Dude, the Falcons and the Panthers 2-0 in the South? I mean, come on, really? Got another one down here. Twisted. See it. Alright, he's going to try to come around the other way. Ciao. You got Carr and Peyton, man. I've got Cam Newton and Phillip Rivers. That's what I've been using. I hear you, dude. I'm not gonna let that happen. Oh, he got me! Son of a bitch! I couldn't get out of there. Damn it! Come on, come on. I gotta pick it up, man. Yes, I'm a G-Man, Hunter. My G-Men have lost 2 10-point leads in the 4th quarter this year. They are playing straight crap, man. All right. That was a good shot right there. All right, they're down to their spawns. They are out. We got it, dude. I'm not even worried about it. Oh, fudge. I don't know. Illegal's going to town over there, though. Oh, my God. All right, Demon. It's on you, buddy. Come on, man. Got to make this happen. Good God. Yeah, blood, guts, and chainsaw right there, baby. That's it's 2-on-1. He's screwed. He is so screwed. Man, look at him. He tried though. A valiant effort, man. I got to give it to him. That was a good try. All right, so we lost.
This day goes to the humans, but only today.
All right, so we lost that time. But you know what? I mean, we were playing against some really good people, guys. So let's just be honest. Damn, one person bet no on us, and they won all of the freaking cash, man. Damn. Damn, is all I can say. Man. Steelers getting a win on the Niners. You think so, Hunter? I don't know, man. Actually, the Steelers are playing the Rams this week, dude. Oh yeah, no, but I thought he was talking about Hunter says I knew you losers. I hear you, Hunter. But yeah, you got the Rams and the Steelers this week. I hear you, Dre. Got to work double shifts. Oh, and look at the team they've got, guys. Nobody wants to play with us. They're like a 5-8. Come on. And they were supposed to fix it up to where they actually made it more balanced teams. Yeah, right. Derek Carr, Foles. Who does I'm trying to think of who they play this week. Who does Foles? Who are they playing? I'm not a big Raiders fan, to be honest with you. All right, there we go. Once again, though, our team is definitely garbage compared to the other team. What SLR say?